Jesus, Rox.
I want Mom to see how our mate. Don't tease her, because I was trying to get her.
I wasn't teasing her, I was trying to hold
Roxy.
it out. Roxy has taste, dude.
I know. Good job, Rox.
Roxy, it's Christmas time.
I'm not even seeing you right now.
She doesn't even know where to.
I know she doesn't.
Got paper all over the place.
Roxy. Roxy. It's too big, it's scaring her.
That one's not. What is this? Kill it.
She's so bad.
Do you just want to open the gift store?